puilano jotono bugra jisun mungbai ani khaksangma yaparo sing tabuk COVID-19 ni ojorao jotono kisamisa effect laijak baksa bakiri laijak piaba ani khazani takhokte bukhok norok jotono tini o kaitoni kaitoni promise norok no share khani musungo Ahlem Ahlem ni Psalm 23 ni 4 sunu gara sujak dong. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. CCF ni khoroksa pastor overson tu share klaimana norok bai baksa normo sana saikana musumo. Overson actually notice klai imano the shadow of death himself. Kwthwi ni Saklom. Apa kaisa figurative expression of fear, expression of darkness. How COVID-19 eba kauma zora hamirok suno sikrui phan mano. Tiaba sungji suno poito khlainarong ni thanile thuimung is only a shadow. Babashatui naikhe sung COVID-19 ni zora untol zora hamyawa phiaba amon bagai tai kaisa reality eba tai babashati naikhe kaitoni yak sini sakao tongo, and because of that we will be protected. Samni o 23 ni 5 bos sejak no sun khel khlai gen ka obai. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Notice here, sungoro notice khlai jana to. God not only provides, but sungno guides khlai, but sungno protect khlai, sungamono o verso na ke sungamono. Norok sajaman pun merani, eba ing saiko by sheep money, buni character. Sheep will not eat if it's in danger, but sheep will eat in the presence of the shepherd. Even though there will be a wolf, the sheep will eat if it's near the shepherd. Sajaman tam ni bagai aba hayeng the reason the character borong ni character tam bagai aba hayeng. Mera ni safety the security abo. Not the absence of danger, but in the presence of the shepherd. Amun bagai in the same way, nini ani thaniwa sung poito khlainarong ni security is not in the absence of danger. Piaba sini security ke boro mole in the presence of the Lord. Kaito sung joto na hamra.